Wait, what? All I got was...
Yeah, I'm waiting next to the Thüringer Rostbratwurst vom Holzkohlegrill. And this is one of the best, famous, popular sausages from Thuringia. And you only should eat it in Thuringia because there it is the best.
The best. Does anyone see what I'm seeing? Purchase these earrings at lovelysloth.com. They are adorable if you love sloths. They are our spirit animal.
Yes, they are. They're very comfortable, cozy, and I think beautiful.
Yeah.
This is not the reason why I'm talking here. I want to show you one of the best. No, I'm always talking about the best. A wonderful place for summer camping and
Yep.
sea and lake. I'm sorry, lake.
Yeah.
And I know it's not the best season for this, but I want to show you. Kulkwitzer See. We have to go with train number 1, Sloth, in 4 minutes. And in summer you can swim there and have a wonderful time when it's hot outside, warm. And enjoy the day.
And I'm sorry, this is a lake or a channel?
No, it's a lake.
Oh, okay.
It's a lake, yeah.
Fun. This earring is also brought to you by Lovely Sloth. Lovelysloth.com. Run by sloths. This is not a paid advertisement. However,
No, it's not.
however, we can cross-promote anytime. Lovelysloth.com for all people wanting to take it a little bit slower.